Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Dito wish another
So, it's my Monica Iha's birthday. So, at 12 midnight, greet ko na siya ng happy birthday. Ayan, every year yan, ganyan ang ginagawa namin. To make it extra special. Then, during the day after her class, lalabas naman kami with her classmates. Yan, so for the love of pizza, dito kami napadpad sa may Pizza Hut, sa may Robinsons, Manila. Kadalasan kasi, sinaselebrate namin yung birthday niya kasama mga lola niya. Ngayon, together with her friends for the first time, kasi wala naman siyang mga bisita. So, her birthday is on a weekday, so wala siyang mga bisita. So, we decided na nagdala na siya ng kaibigan niya para may bisita naman siya, diba, to celebrate her special birthday. Ayan. So, here we are.
Happy birthday to you.
So, it's so nice to see your daughter very happy, diba? At least, napasaya mo siya on a simple way. Ang bilis ng panahon, guys. Grabe, dati kiddie party lang. Pero ito ngayon, oh, kasama niya yung mga kasing edad niya, 15 years old na sila. And she's now second year high school. Grabe, parang kailan lang, parang feeling ko ako yung high school. Tapos ngayon, mommy-fied. Pero totoo, guys, celebrate each moment na kasama mo yung bata habang bata pa sila. Kasi of course, by the time na lumaki na yan, mag-asawa, hindi na yan nahanap-hanapin yung mommy, hindi mo na marimingin ng ganon. So, reward them sa kanilang mga simple achievement, sa birthday celebration, celebrate each event, ganyan. Para maging memorable naman yung pagiging bata nila. And they would say na, I have a happy childhood, diba? Ganon. As a parent, it's our responsibility na to nurture our kids and to make them feel loved. Parang sa ganun, hindi nila hanapin yung happiness outside. Na sometimes, dun sila napapariwara, nagbabarkada, kasi they're longing for love. So, yun na nga, ganun. Okay, anyway, nandito nga kami sa may Pizza Hut. Anyway, guys, share ko lang sa inyo. Itong meal namin is good for 4. And, yan, may chicken na, may spaghetti. And then, merong pizza. Tapos, 4 na iced tea. And, it's only around 1,000. Plus, of course, yung VAT and tax. Nasa 1,200 plus lang yung aming binayaran dito. And, if you would look at it, super sulit na, diba? Ayan. And then, yung cake namin naman, kasi she had a cake already nung early morning, around 12 in the morning, meron na akong cake sa kanya. So, bumili kami ng surprise cake namin for her. And, it's around 200 plus, like around 300, ganyan. So, all in all, mga 1,500 lang ang binudget ko dito. Sobrang sulit, guys. So, if you're planning to celebrate your occasion, yan. Hindi ako dito, Hindi ako sponsored, ayan. Masarap naman. And yes, super try niyo yung chicken. Super satisfied kami dyan sa chicken nila talaga. Promise. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you!
Thanks for watching!